guys, we're back at it with a vlog. Let's get it. We're gonna go get some cans. Some Sody Pop cans to be exact.
Diet Coke. You wanna do that?
Alright guys, we got the Sody Pop and we also got 69 cents of change.
Heck yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna drop this in the parking lot and leave it.
Yeah. So if you want some Sody Pop, come to the parking lot.
Hold on, come here. It's so loud! We're at an airport!
Alright, we got the soda cans, so we're gonna go to the railroad track and get it going.
Railroad track?
Yeah, because it's like nice and rocky there.
Okay.
And stuff.
Oh, so we can throw.
Yeah, you'll see. Let's get it. I got a bat now, and he's got the Sody Pop. Cue the montage. Yeah, that was so cool. Disappointed!
Raining in Pennsylvania.
It's raining.
That guy's sad.
Guys, we have to run. We have to flee the facility. No, the joke you. Ah, my ankles. Guys, they're after us. They're after us. Just kidding, bro. There's nobody running after us. We're just super cool. No crimes have been committed because we're good YouTubers. Bruh.
But he's leaving. Yeah.
Alright guys, we're going to Burger King now. Oh, your mom's car's in the frame. That's all. Have a good one and subscribe. No, I'm not it. That was a fail. I'll hit that one. Retry that.
Here, bro, do the can again. Look at those prime cheeks. Bro just drank too much, bro. Oh, he's dead. I was waiting for you to. I'll just do it. Nom, 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 nom.
Now go and drink it. It flipped. Ah.
How was it, bro?
It was good.